In this comprehensive episode, we invite you to embark on a journey through the captivating allure of a modern rustic wooden and stone cabin with large windows seamlessly blending with a lush tropical garden landscape. From the inviting warmth of the cabin's interior to the serene beauty of its outdoor oasis, prepare to be inspired by the harmonious fusion of nature and architecture. Before we delve into our exploration, let us extend a warm welcome back to Sachi Studio. For those joining us for the first time, we invite you to subscribe for more captivating insights into home and interior design inspiration. Throughout this episode, we will explore various aspects of rustic cabin living, from interior design to outdoor landscaping, providing valuable tips and ideas to help you create your own cozy retreat. Discover the art of incorporating natural elements like wood and stone into your living space while also embracing the beauty of large windows that invite the great outdoors in. Explore innovative ways to design and cultivate a tropical garden paradise complete with lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and serene water features. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an interior design aficionado, or simply seeking inspiration for your dream home, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and resources to elevate your rustic living experience to new heights. Step inside a modern rustic cabin with a stunning stone exterior nestled amidst lush natural surroundings. This modern rustic cabin captivates with its striking stone facade, crafted with meticulous attention to detail to blend seamlessly with the rugged beauty of the landscape, creating a harmonious fusion of nature and architecture. The warm tones and organic textures of the stone evoke a timeless charm, inviting you to step inside and experience the rustic elegance that awaits. As you explore the interior, you'll discover a thoughtfully designed space that celebrates the beauty of natural materials. Rustic wooden elements such as exposed beams and hardwood floors complement the stone accents, creating a cozy and inviting ambience. Large windows invite an abundance of natural light, allowing you to bask in the tranquility of the surrounding lush tropical garden landscape. This modern rustic cabin effortlessly balances contemporary design with rustic charm, providing a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Two elegant rustic decorating ideas for your wooden cabin retreat. Embrace the rustic charm of a cozy wooden cabin retreat with these decorating ideas. Two elegant rustic decorating ideas for your wooden cabin retreat. Embrace the rustic charm of a cozy wooden cabin retreat with these decorating ideas. Create a warm and inviting ambience by incorporating natural elements like reclaimed wood, stone accents, and cozy textiles. Opt for furniture pieces with a rustic flair such as a distressed leather sofa or a sturdy wooden dining table. Accessorize with earthy tones and organic textures like jute rugs, woven baskets, and antler-inspired decor. Layer in cozy throws and plush pillows for a comfy cabin-inspired aesthetic. To infuse your cabin retreat with personal touches, display handmade crafts, vintage finds, or family heirlooms. These unique pieces add character and warmth, creating a space that feels like a cherished home away from home. Incorporate nature-inspired artwork or a gallery wall showcasing your favorite outdoor adventures. Don't forget to bring the outdoors in with fresh greenery, potted plants, or a striking floral arrangement. These rustic cabin decor ideas will transform your space into a cozy, inviting sanctuary that celebrates the beauty of nature. Free escape to nature by designing your dream cabin with large windows. Embrace the beauty of the great outdoors by designing your dream rustic cabin with large windows that offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Floor-to-ceiling windows will seamlessly blend the indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a harmonious connection with nature. These expansive windows will flood your cabin with natural light, enhancing the warm and cozy ambience that rustic cabins are known for. Whether surrounded by lush forests, serene lakes, or majestic mountains, large windows will provide a front-row seat to the breathtaking scenery, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Energy-efficient windows for sustainable cabin living. When incorporating large windows into your rustic cabin design, it's essential to prioritize energy efficiency. Install energy-efficient windows with low emissivity coatings and insulated frames to improve thermal performance and reduce heating and cooling costs. These energy-saving windows will not only keep your cabin comfortable year-round but also contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy stunning views while minimizing your carbon footprint and reducing your overall energy consumption. Embrace the harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern sustainability in your dream cabin retreat. For tropical paradise, transforming your cabin with lush garden landscape. Escape to a tropical paradise by creating a lush garden landscape around your rustic wooden and stone cabin. Embrace the beauty of nature and surround yourself with vibrant foliage, fragrant blooms, and soothing water features. Incorporate native tropical plants such as hibiscus, bougainvillea, and bird of paradise that thrive in your local climate. These low-maintenance, drought-resistant options will minimize water consumption and reduce the need for excessive gardening. Strategically place large windows to seamlessly blend the indoor and outdoor spaces, inviting the lush greenery and natural scenery into your cabin retreat. Enhance your tropical garden landscape with natural stone accents that complement the rustic charm of your cabin. Incorporate stone pathways, water fountains, and rock gardens, creating a serene oasis where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. Consider installing a stone patio or deck area, providing an ideal outdoor living space to soak in the beauty of your lush surroundings. With thoughtful landscaping, you can transform your cabin into a tropical sanctuary complete with the calming sounds of trickling water and the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. Five cozy comfort interior design tips for your modern rustic cabin. Escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life by creating a cozy modern rustic cabin retreat.